the presentation of the 2014 awards. So, Patrick. Do you need a round of applause yet?
No, not yet. I have a microphone. Thank you. No, I don't. But. So, I have traditionally the honor to lead this session on the IMTC Leadership Awards. The IMTC recognizes the individuals and companies who have made significant contributions to the multimedia industry. The IMTC has been presenting awards since 2000, recognizing the importance of creating, innovating, and producing collaborative contributions to product types, protocols, algorithms, or even service offering. Today, IMTC would like to honor two gentlemen who were the primary drivers in the development of the modified discrete cousin transform for the contributions to audio coding. For most signals, MDCT showed clear benefits over the traditional discrete cousin transform, and it became a key element in perceptual audio codecs created thereafter. That includes MP3, AAC, the G700 family, and even Opus. The first recipient of the 2014 IMTC Leadership Award is Dr. Karl-Heinz Brandenburg. He's a full professor at the Institute of Media Technology at the Ilmenau University of Technology and director of the Fraunhofer Institute for Digital Media Technology. He received engineering degrees from Erlangen University in electrical engineering and in mathematics. In 1989, he obtained his PhD from the Friedrich Alexander University Erlangen-Nuremberg in electrical engineering. The research results of his dissertation are the basis of MPEG-1 Layer 3, also known as MP3, and MPEG-2 Advanced Audio Coding. He worked as a postural member of the technical staff at AT&T Bell Labs in the US. In 1993, he became the head of the Audio and Multimedia Department at Fraunhofer in Erlangen. Karl-Heinz has been a driving force behind some of today's most innovative digital audio technology, notably the MP3 and MPEG audio standards. For his outstanding research work in the fields of audio coding, perceptual measurement techniques, as well as psychoacoustic, he received honorary PhD degrees from the German universities Koblenz-Landau and the Spanish Polytechnical University of Valencia. He's a fellow of the IEEE, as well as a fellow of the Audio Engineering Society. During his career, Karl-Heinz has been granted about 100 patents and has published numerous articles for scientific conferences. Together with Mark Kars, he published the book, Application of Digital Signal Processing to Audio and Acoustics. Karl-Heinz could not join us today, but we would like to give him a round of applause for his contributions to audio coding. Thank you. Our second recipient is Dr. Bernd Hedler. Bernd received his engineering degree in electrical engineering from the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg in 1985 and his PhD in electrical engineering from the University of Hanover in 1994. There, he continued his research work until 2010 with an interruption from 1998 to 1999 when he was a guest scientist at Bell Laboratories in the US. In 2010, the Friedrich Alexander University, Erlangen-Nuremberg, appointed him as professor for audio signal analysis at the International Audio Laboratory Erlangen. His main research area is audio coding, where he contributed to several international standards, MPEG-1, Layer 3, MP3, MPEG-2, AAC, MPEG Unified Speech and Audio Coding, USAC, MPEG-H 3D audio. Additionally, he worked on improvements of signal processing algorithms for cochlear implants. He contributed to more than 50 technical patents, technical papers in this field and is co-inventor of several international patents. Bernd Edler is a member of the AES Audio Engineering Society, VDE ITG, DIN NI29, and MPEG. In the latter, he chaired several other groups and was acting chair of an audio subgroup meeting. Today, his main research is in the area of audio coding and psychoacoustic. I would like you to welcome Dr. Bernd Edler as the 2014 Leadership Award recipient. Bernd, please. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You can just turn over for the picture. Take it.
It's nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very honored.
It's a pleasure to have you here, and you will be giving a presentation just after the awards, so we'll know more about psychoacoustic and acoustics.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Place it here for now.
Yeah, you can keep it there. So the IMTC also gives service awards to volunteers in the IMTC that have significantly contributed to the organization. So I will do that tomorrow morning because the recipient is absent today. But I will pass now the microphone to our president, Anatoly Levin, who will be distributing the USIF, the US iForum Service Awards.
I will only start. So,
Congratulations.
maybe, no, it's on. Should be on. Yeah. So, actually, I will not be distributing all of the USIF awards, but I will. I would like to start that. You can look at this meeting as really a commemoration of all the work which USIF done for the industry, and a lot of the presentations here show you the scope and the great depths of that. And I would like to acknowledge the gentleman I have been knowing for a year or two, yeah, maybe a little longer, who was extremely instrumental in driving USIF forward, and essentially he was the driving force behind the merger between IMTC and UCIF, and without his dedication and sometimes forceful. Okay.
Not me.
Yeah, not you, of course. That would not happen. So UCI Forum would like to recognize Matt Collier for contribution to UCI Forum as president and treasurer. Please, round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you. So thank you very much, Anatoly. It was a lot of fun putting the two organizations together. It took a lot of arduous negotiating. You wouldn't think that would happen, but with two organizations really focused on the same results and the same set of industry standards. But it wasn't just me. It wasn't me. It was a group of people that started the organization before Lifesize or Logitech even joined the organization. Bernard Aboba was the first president. He was a founding member. He was is the chair of the main and the previous XMPP group. He contributed unbelievable amounts of time to the development of USIF and all of the things that we accomplished over the 4 years. He was president for the first 3. I was president for about a year. So with that, I'd like to recognize Bernard. Bernard, do you want to come up? Thank you.
Thank you.
Bernard. Thanks, Bernard. The next person, Jeff Rodman isn't here, but he's a co-founder of Polycom. He was the secretary. He took arduous notes, and if you'd ever like to read any of them, we have them on file. But he was a director, and he was also the secretary of the organization. Alex, chief scientist of Vidyo, was a director and the video work group chair. He spent a lot of time as the chair of this organization and as the chair of the UCI Forum doing similar work that blended all together after the merger. Manfred was a founding member, or HP was a founding member company, and Manfred served as a director of UCI Forum and is now a director within the IMTC. Ori, director with or from Avaya on the UCI Forum, is now a director here at the IMTC. Thank you. Do we have? Or your plaque will come. Oh, no, we have it? Okay, we don't have all the plaques for some reason. Or you can come on up. Is he here? Congratulations, thank you. Thanks, Ori. Is Alex here by any chance? He's probably on the phone out in the hall. Okay, so Yair, previous director from Avaya, served on the board as well. He is not here, right? No. Casey King, CTO of Lifesize, served as the technical work group chair. He is not here today, so we recognize him. Mary Barnes from Polycom was the co-chair of the technical work group. Tim O'Neill from Polycom was certification work group chair. Not here. Okay. Pascal, come on up here. We have to have his plaque. Pascal, thank you for all you've done. I think the SDN group that you founded is outstanding, and we really appreciate everything. Thanks again. Brad from Sonos is the chair of the SIP v6 work group. Is he here? Oh, okay, come on up. We have that plaque. Thank you very much for all you've done there. For those of you that don't know, we do have a full lab set up for SIP v6 that Brad can connect you with. And then finally, Linda Braun, who was our marketing and program manager for at least the last 2.5 years, served in an unbelievable way for us. I mean, she was always available, did everything. Just want to recognize her as well. So, recognition of the folks that came over from the UCI Forum who were, leading the efforts of that organization. A final round of applause for all of those.